Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffyandchihuahua. This is my Chihuahua. His name is Android and he's just going to hang out while we work on some crafts today. We're going to be making a super soft Play-Doh, but it's not only going to be soft, it is going to smell delicious. The first ingredient you're going to need is a bag of cornstarch, and then the second ingredient is either hair conditioner or some lotion, and this is where you can really get some fun scents going. I'm just going to put 1 part of cornstarch into the bowl and 1 part of our hand cream. So this is what I got. Now I'm just going to give it a stir. Definitely need a little more. I think it might be time to get my hand a little messy. It's looking kind of like bread, but like really crumbly bread. Starting to work. Well, at least this clay is moisturizing. So it did work. I do have a nice chunk of Play-Doh. It is very soft. It smells delicious. It smells really good actually. And now that it's kneaded together, it really is like sticking to itself. I will say when I was mixing it, I made an absolute mess and I had to wash my hands and switch plates like twice just because I like to work on a clean space, you know. But other than that, it's pretty fun. If you don't mind a little bit of a mess in your kitchen, this is definitely the best smelling Play-Doh I've ever played with because it smells just like lotion. I'll also say that it probably like continues to lotion your hands while you play with it, so that's an added bonus. Yeah. Oh, one last thing. If you really wanted to add food coloring to this, you could. I kind of like how beautiful and white the color of it is, but if you're making for kids, you know, maybe some colors would be fun. Wow, this stuff is addicting to keep squishing. It is definitely the softest Play-Doh I've ever played with. So definitely try making this if you have some free time. Some free cornstarch, you know. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Please hit like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again.